it's hard to be wowed anymore. You know what I mean? By PC gear.
Are you gonna...
What's that?
So are they facing that way for a reason?
Yeah, let's yeah, MSI sent us out some of their Monster Hunter collaboration pieces for I think it's Monster Hunter's 20th anniversary. Pretty dope. I've only just recently got into that after doing a little collaboration with them earlier this year. That was the first time I've ever like actually dealt with the game. I just thought it would make for a fantastic unboxing as well. Bring you guys along for the ride. I guess it would be better keep the case last.
Smaller, yeah.
Yeah, start off nice and slow. All right, so they sent me motherboard, cooler, case.
Yeah.
Really amplify them up. I'm a sucker, just an absolute slut for good branding. Like, oh yeah, I mean, it's single-handedly, it's probably some of the, like, I get bored and I'm like, I gotta get an Apple product just because the unboxing is just so good. Looks like the antenna for the, I believe it's Wi-Fi 7. How have we found ourselves to Wi-Fi 7? I don't even think we're acclimated to Wi-Fi 6. Wow, look at that. You don't even have to be a fan. You don't have to even enjoy the game to just understand how good that looks. Ready? Gotta get in here for that. Oh, that'll get you wet during a sandstorm, huh? It quite literally is one of my favorite parts about getting new products. Wow, that is good. I need you to get into that, like, I mean, that artwork deserves a display. Wow. That is sick. I haven't actually had much experience with MSI products in a while. I used to have a full MSI PC, but it's just been so many years since I've had any interaction with them. Man, that is sick. Yeah, so typical MPG Z790 Edge Monster Hunter Edition. So it's just your standard, you know, Z790 motherboard from MSI. Blazing fast speed with latest Lightning Gen 5.0 PCIe and M.2 slot. Lightning USB 20 gig. That's one thing that's like, I feel like a lot of PC products have been slacking on is Lightning.
Yeah, I also like the M.2 slots.
Yeah. M.2 is a game changer just for the installation in itself. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, I'm kind of excited for this guy here. MagCore Liquid E360. Again, I believe that's just a typical liquid cooling that they offer. Just, I would assume everything is just a Monster Hunter edition for this. I'm not gonna pretend that I'm just like a big fanboy of all these tech companies and know every single, I mean, there's so many names and letters to products in 2024. It's like, you'd have to be a complete psychopath to remember every single product that exists, right? Then you have a conversation with a computer nut, and they're like, oh, you don't know the Core Liquid E360? Yeah. To celebrate the 20th anniversary of Monster Hunter, MSI has joined forces with Capcom to create the Monster Hunter limited edition PC products. I mean, so far, I think they're nailing it. I'm not even a big Monster Hunter guy, per se. Dude, I actually want to just kind of put this build together myself and keep it in here. You think I'll get exposed?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Radiator, 3 fans, and their cooler with a, ooh, it looks like it's actually got, let's get that out of the way. Oh, that's sick. So instead of a screen, it's just a nice little illustration from the game on the front as well. Oh man, they really went above and beyond with like the attention to detail.
Running on the side?
Dude, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I was kind of curious how they would do that right there. Got this, I can only assume, some Monster Hunter type icons. Not much I want to take out of there with this because I don't want to, oh wow. Now that's a game changer.
Thermal paste.
MSI be including thermal paste? That's
it's standard now.
That's big. I don't. Shout out. Last time I built a computer, I even was thinking, I'm like, how come I don't have thermal paste with this? Why do I have to go to the store to get a bead of paste? And like that tube is still sitting in my closet somewhere. You get 1, 2, 3 ARGB fans featuring a durable 3-phase motor, separates hot and cold coolants for enhanced cooling. The water block cap offers a 270-degree rotating ARGB lighting effect. Looks like all of this can be controlled over the through the MSI software on the PC. All right, now time for the big dog. The moment everybody, I believe, has been waiting for. PC case.
It's a 2-person job?
Might be. My astute cameraman. Maybe just hold the, yeah, because that's the biggest thing, being able to hold the box. All right, go ahead.
Got it.
Yeah. Oh my God. Dude, that is pretty goddamn sick. I'm not gonna lie. Again, the attention to detail. The packaging is great. I was gonna say, this is a pretty decent sized tower, and I'm like, how are they gonna package everything? Again, another little Monster Hunter booklet. Wow, they even did vents. Like the mesh. They even worked on the mesh. We're not even gonna be able to capture this in the full screen. Wow. Wow! That is pretty sick. Attention to detail on the side there. The little paw prints.
It's a little tracking markers from the game.
You got, oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
No kidding. Little 20th edition, 20th year anniversary edition. 20th edition on there. That's clean. Yeah, this drop is insane. Technically, you know, nothing different from what their typical products are other than the aesthetics, but sometimes that's just really all you need. It's just an aesthetically pleasing version of what other people have to offer. So if any of you guys are interested in any of the Monster Hunter PC parts, I'll leave a link in the description of just this drop specifically. I don't get any commission for you clicking through that link. This video was just solely on me wanting to show badass little collaboration. I mean, it's a popular game. I'm sure there's some people out there that have some interest in it, and I just wanted to be able to show them that. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications.